Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we will be comparing two of the most advanced dashcams on the market, the WOLFBOX G840S and the ROVE R2-4K. Both of these devices promise exceptional video quality and a host of features designed to enhance your driving experience. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. Both the WOLFBOX G840S and ROVE R2-4K offer impressive video resolutions, with 4K recording capabilities for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. This ensures that you capture every detail on the road, whether it's day or night. However, the ROVE R2-4K features the advanced Sony STARVIS sensor, which enhances low-light performance, making it a standout option for night driving. When it comes to storage, the ROVE R2-4K takes the lead with a generous 128GB micro SD card included in the package, allowing for extended recording time without the need for frequent file management. In contrast, the WOLFBOX G840S only includes a 32GB card, which may fill up quickly when recording in 4K. This difference can significantly impact your user experience, especially for those who plan on long trips. The design of these dash cams also sets them apart. The WOLFBOX G840S is a mirror replacement model, providing a sleek and integrated look that enhances your vehicle's interior while maximizing visibility. On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K features a traditional windshield mount, which, while effective, may not offer the same aesthetic appeal. Each design has its advantages, depending on your preferences for visibility and style. In conclusion, both the WOLFBOX G840S and ROVE R2-4K are excellent choices for anyone looking to enhance their driving safety with a dashcam. If you prefer a mirror-style design with integrated features, the WOLFBOX G840S is a great option. However, if you prioritize superior video quality and storage capacity, the ROVE R2-4K is the better investment. Whichever you choose, both will provide peace of mind on the road. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.